you need to see the results of people who have watched my previous video, which is the futures trading using the zero liquidation strategy. So look at the screen, you can see the results from the trade. Their trade, you can see they're making a lot of money. So just like I promised earlier that I'm going to share other two more videos to complement the one I did before. Okay, which is the understanding support and resistance, and the second one is knowing how to do fundamental research in cryptocurrency, because you need to learn these two skills in addition to the strategy for zero liquidation strategy to trade futures profitably. Okay, so if you have not watched the other video, I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video for you to check it out after you're done watching this one. Okay, so that one will teach you the strategy to use to trade futures without losing your money, so you can be making a lot of money every week. It's free. You can see I've shared with other people who are using that sort of strategy. If you join my group on Facebook, Bull Network Crypto Updates, I'm also going to drop the link in the description of this video. You see so many people who are using such strategy and they're making money for themselves. Now, this is going to boost your knowledge. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to know your support, your resistance, and point of interest. This additional knowledge will complement the knowledge in your ZLS strategy so that you will be highly profitable. Because now we are about to scale our profit. So making $10 a day, you want to go to $100 a day. So you need extra knowledge to go further. As you can see on my screen now, I'm still on the trade. As you can see this one here, this one is say USDC is still running at $32 profit. This one is at minus $9 loss, but it definitely come back in profit. So trading is a life skill that you need to learn. Wherever you are, you need to learn how to trade so that even though you travel to another country, before looking for a job, you can be in your house with your phone. You are trading, you're making your money. Okay, so this is what you need to learn. And that's why I'm doing a tutorial video to help you acquire this skill for free. So subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you're going to get updated whenever I do a video like this one and share with you. So without much ado, I'm going to start the tutorial by teaching you support, resistance, and point of interest. Now this platform you're seeing on my screen is called the TradingView. Okay, TradingView is free platform. It's also a paid one, but you can use the free version. Okay, so TradingView is a platform that you can use to analyze different cryptocurrency. Okay, knowing their chart. So this coin is called Say USDT. Okay, Say is a coin that I'm trading here at a profit of $33 profit. Okay, and you know that the current dollar to naira rate in currency is 1,600 naira per dollar. So imagine me making currently now is at $33. $33 times 1,600 is at 50,000 what naira. That is even the cost of my lodge. Yeah. So you see, so that is how you need to learn this skill so that you can make money for yourself to offset important bills. All right. So let's push for that. So what you need to do is that any coin you want to trade, okay, any coin you want to do the ZLS strategy, you have to analyze the coin. You don't just pick any coin for ZLS. Analyze the coin to know that the coin wants to go up, and then you put the ZLS position. So how do you analyze the coin? You use a platform like TradingView. So I pick TradingView because I want to analyze this coin. So that means you need to learn how TradingView works. Okay. So this is TradingView now. This is just like a normal chart. Okay. Don't just forget when you see the interface. It looks so complex, but it's not complex when you understand it. It's very simple. Okay. So this is the price of the coin. It's say USDT, the price of the coin. This is this down here is the volume. This green is buy volume. The red is what sell volume. So when we have green volume going up, it means the price of the coin will go up. And then when you see the red volume coming up here, that means the price of the coin will be going up. People are selling. Okay. So the green in this side shows buys, and the red shows what shows sells. Okay. You can see it here going and falling. All right. Now the same thing happens in the chart. You see green, you see red. Okay. The green shows buys, the red shows sells. So when there are buys, the price go up, and when it is red, the price go down. And in ZLS, we are not trading short. You're only trading long. Okay. So remember that ZLS, you're not trading short. You're only trading what long, because we strongly believe that every coin definitely hits a new all-time high. Okay. So this is the coin. So these are different technical analysis tool that you can use to analyze coin, but we're not going to be learning all of those complex technical analysis tools, right? The indicators, we will not learn all of the stuff. What we want to learn is support, resistance, and point of interest. And that is easy to understand and easy to 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 identify on your chart. So follow me and pay good attention to what I'm doing now on this chart. Now this chart, every chart you see, you should be able to identify or interpret that chart. So as you can see, this is a Binance chart showing SEI over USD, and you can see this is a 4-hour chart. Okay, so what is mean by 4 hour? You see the change interval is 4 hour. What does it mean by 4 hour? It means that every candlestick you see here takes 4 hours to form before the next one. So what happens is that you see this one now, my cursor is on this green candle here now. So it means that this green candle starts here and close here before this one forms. So the time interval for it to start here and close here before this one is 4 hours. The same thing happens for all candles here. So every candle you see here, every full form candle you see here, whether they are short or they are long, any candle you see here takes 4 hours. They are 4 hours. So if you're using this 4 hour candlestick to place a trade, you should not be concerned with whatever happens in 1 minute, whatever happens in 5 minutes. You should be concerned with whatever happened in 4 hours, because that is the candlestick you have used to place your trade. So before you see me have a trade here running in profits, and I am not scared to take the profit, even though it might go to, it's now at $36. Before it was $33. It might even come down to $20. But I'm not scared to take the profit because of I know the candlestick at which I analyze the trade. Okay, I know the candlestick at which I analyze the trade. So if I use a 4 hour candlestick, whatever happens in 3 minutes, whatever happens in 1 hour, is not my concern. It's not bothering me because I know the hour I am using to analyze my trade. Now this trade here is a ARB and USDT. I'm currently at minus $7.9 loss, but I am not still bothered about the loss because I know the hour I use to analyze my trade. Okay, so I know that the market goes up and down. The market is volatile. So if I am trying to target the market up, I'm going to lose more money. When I know my hours that I used to do my trade, and I place my trade in accordance to the hour I used to analyze my trade, then I have peace of mind. I can come back and check in every 4 hours to see the nature, okay, of my trade. Okay, so when you see somebody who is, whenever they place a trade, then every minute they want to see that they want to see that the thing is going up. And whenever the thing is coming down, they are scared or they are doing something. That person is a novice. That person is not well educated when it comes to the crypto trading space, and they are likely going to lose more money than they're going to make. Okay, so this trading is not something that is going to be very harsh. Trading has to be doing it to your peace of mind. You do it freely. You trade. You can leave it. You go do your work. Come back, check the trade. That's how you should trade. Trade with peace of mind. Whenever you are trading and you are not comfortable, then you are doing the wrong thing. Okay, so that's how it works. So now that you know that every candle here represents 4 hours. It means that whatever we analyze here and place as a trade, we will not be bothered about the result in 1 hour, in 2 hours. We are going to be bothered about the result in 4 hours. Now you can also use a different time frame. You can use one day time frame, 1 week time frame, 2 hours time frame to analyze the trade. So just know that whatever time frame you use, that will determine the chart you see. Okay, so what you are seeing in 4 hours is not what somebody who is using 2 hours is seeing. So the result that person is getting is not the result that you are getting. Okay, you have to focus on what you are using for your own trade. Okay, what you're using for your trade is what you have to focus on, because your charts in 1 hour is different from your charts in 2 hours, different from your charts in 3 hours, different from your charts in 4 hours, and this difference in charts is also in difference in support and resistance. Okay, and also difference in point of interest. All right, so let me go back to our sale. We are trading. So I go back to sale now. Now this is the 4 hour chart of sale. Okay, now let me show you the one day chart of sale. You see that it's different. In the 1 day chart, it's just going up. You're seeing it here. 1 day chart is different. The support and resistance for 1 day is different. Support and resistance, the point of interest for one day chart is different. If you go back to 4 hours, if you go to 4 hours, you see that it's also different. The support and resistance here is different. The point of interest here is also different. Okay, so that is what you need to know. So now that you have understand the the charts, the buys which is green and the sell which is red. You understand the chart, 4 hour chart and 1 day chart. You understand how it is now. You now look at what is the support and resistance. Okay, so in just imagine that you are inside a room now. Okay, in a room, you're inside a room. You cannot go up of the room because of what there's a ceiling up above you. So that ceiling above you that is preventing you to jump out of the room from the up is the resistance. Okay. Now when you're inside the room, you don't fall into the pit, not underground, because you're standing on top of a floor. That floor you're standing upon, see it as your support. Okay. So what you see here is that whenever the price of a coin is going up and it is having a difficulty to break a certain price level up, we call that level a resistance. And whenever a coin is falling down, but it does not fall below, it always stops somewhere and then it bounces back. We call that place a support. So in the chart, what you're looking for is what? Support and resistance. And then points of what? Interest. When you know this, when you go and place a trade, you have confidence and you have target what you're looking at. So as I'm trading say now, right? Let's see, say it's currently at $32 profit now. So I'm trading say now I have a point of interest, which is what? $1. Say it's currently $0.9537. My point of interest is what? $1. Say I say I take my profits. So before I say $1, why did I choose $1? Because I see that in my charts. I see it happen in my chart. It is a resistance for sell to break. Okay. And why I'm also confident of trading sell is that I see that it will be very difficult for sell to break down below 0.8, 0.7. It's very difficult. But there's a very strong support there. So these things I don't just imagine them or I don't just guess them. I see them in my chart. Okay, so when I see my chart, that's what I believe. And that's what I use to place my trade. And that's how I have the confidence. So how do you now spot your support and resistance in your chart? We are going to draw it. So let's draw a support and resistance so that you know how to draw it. Now you have to zoom your chart like this. You can easily to get it right. Okay, to get it right, you can change your chart pattern from candlestick to line. Okay, that will be the easiest way you can easily. So if you click on here, this is how the chart will click. You can check the chart in candles, hollow candles. Okay, so I will change it to line. Now when I change it to line, see that it's a change the background of the what of the chart. It's not very easy for me to see resistance and see support. So now I'm going to now draw my line of support and resistance. So watch me as I show you how to draw the support and resistance line. Now look at this coin now. Let's start here. You see that the price was here. Okay, let's start from here now. The price was here, the price go up here, go down here, go up here, go down here, go up here, go down here, go up here, go down. This is how the price of the coin was moving. Okay, so in drawing support and resistance, you can have as many support and resistance. You can have as many support and resistance. Okay, but they are major ones. Those major ones are the ones we want to focus on. Now, what do you observe when you see the chart? Discover that there's a big support here. Okay, so let me draw a line. Here's my ruler. So you can see it here. This is a ruler. I'm using a ruler now to check it. So you can see that at this bottom here, there's a very strong word, a very, very strong support. So why did I call it a support? Let me change. Okay, come in. Let me draw a good line so that you can easily identify it. Come in. Okay, so I am just drawing this line now to identify the support. So as you can see the green line I'm drawing. The green line I'm drawing, you can see the chart now. Let's see the chart. Okay, then see again I'm drawing. Now this green line I'm drawing now, it touch this bottom, this bottom, this bottom. And you see that this is the bottom here. See, look at the bottom. The price go up here, go up here, go up here, go up here. It fall down bottom, it bounce back, go up here, go up here, go up here, go up here, it fall to that same bottom line, it bounce back, go up again, go up again, go up again, fall to the bottom and bounce back. It has not broke this bottom. It touched the bottom 3 times, but it refused to break down, to go down, to go down. It break down. So for the fact that it is, whenever it comes here, it bounce back up here. Here it becomes a strong support. Something is there. That thing is called liquidity. There's money there buying it up. So people are placing buy order here, enough buy order here. That order is pushing to. So whenever the price is selling and falling there, the buy order will execute and the price goes up back. That is, I have gotten a strong support for this coin. This is, so you can see the chart, you can see it here. It's strong support. Okay, you can see it here very clear. So if you're using the chart, the bar chart, I mean, if you're using the candlestick chart, you may not see it clear like this. That's why I changed to the line chart. That you see very clear. Now you're seeing the support here. You are seeing why I choose I support, because it has so many words support. It has so many of the charts coming back to the point and going up. It did not fall. Whenever it hit this line, it bounced back up. Hit this line becomes a support. Now look at the top. What was stopping it here? What was stopping it here? You can see that. Let's draw a resistance now. So in doing this, we are looking for the pressure buy. There's a lot of bounce. Okay. Now this is the upline is our resistance. Okay. I will change the color to red. Yeah. The up is the resistance. Okay, resistance. Now, why did I call it the resistance? When the price was here in this support, it break up here. It was not able to break above. It came down again. It now break above the resistance, but it did not last long. It now fall down again. It now go up again. It did not break the resistance. It come down. It go up again. It did not break the resistance. It come down. It now was able to break the resistance, but it did not last again. It still fall down again inside that range. It still go up again, go up. It came here again. Was not able to break the resistance. It come down again, and then at here it finally break the resistance. You see, so here has the major touch. So I can also draw another resistance, okay, at this top, because it is clear that this top here is also another resistance, okay. But the reason why I choose the second one, okay, as my resistance is because of it has so many blocking of the chart. Now, whenever I make a new resistance, the previous resistance becomes a support. Okay, so let's say, for example, now as I put another resistance at this top now, this former resistance will become my new support. But because of taking this former resistance as my support, it's not yet strong. Yes, it's not yet strong. This one is the strongest support. This is the main support for this coin. Now you're going to trace the line. Let me bring the second resistance so that it will not confuse you. Now we're going to trace this line to the price. Now, if you trace this green line, you see that it is at what? 0.57. So whenever there's a market crash, this coin will have a very great support at what? $0.57. That is what this implies. Now there's other support you can also find here. $0.66. Okay, going upward. You see that there are so many support and resistance. So you just have to identify them and know them. Now, at the moment of you adding more support and resistance, that is what we call the point of interest. Okay, so now I have been able to show you what support is and what resistance is, and how to draw support and resistance. So how do you now draw your point of interest? Now, I'm going to draw another line, which can be another word. This is a comment. Sorry about that. This line I'm drawing now also capture what it captured a price range, whereby it took time for the price to break up. So I'm going to make it purple. Okay, so if I make this green here my support, this purple here was a resistance before the price break through. Okay, but now it is not my strong resistance, so I'll make it what? A point of interest, because it is important in the chart. Okay, so it is also what important. Now also I'm also going to, let me just duplicate this slide. Okay, this one here that we have here at the top here is also another is now like a support. Okay, it was a former resistance that was broken, because whenever you break a resistance, that resistance becomes what? Support to you. This is what you need to, so don't let it confuse you. I make it here yellow. So this one that was recently broken, you can see it here, 1 2 3 4. This is just 4 touches here, that is 5 touches here before it was broken. It is the resistance, right? But now it is a new support when you look at the new price of the chart. Okay, so it's also a point of interest. So by the time you start identifying all these areas, they are your point of interest. Point of interest. Now you always trace this line to the price that it is showing you in the chart. So this one is that is yellow, which is our very strong point of interest now, because the price break out this resistance. So this yellow now is support, right? Because this is the latest price breakout, becomes a support. What is the price? The price is what? $0.83. So it will be very difficult for say to fall below $0.8. Why? Because it is forming what that's forming a support. So it's very difficult for the price to fall below it. Now, if the price fall below 0.8, where is it going? To be going towards 0.74. Okay, so this is where we now have another point of interest. So if this one now breaks 0.74, where it likely go? To go towards 0.69. That is another point of interest before we are having our main support at what? 0.57. Okay, so the other soft support and soft resistance are known as point of what? Interest. They are point of interest. Okay, but the reason why this yellow is not our main support, because it is the price breakouts. It's not yet strong. It's not yet tested over time. Okay, so if we miss that, where are we going next? That's what you need to know. So as I'm trading this coin now, which is I'm currently at let me see, I'm going at $34 profit. Why the price is at what? The price is at 0.95. Okay, so if this coin is falling down, have them in mind that this coin can fall to what? If it's falling down heavily, it can fall to what? 0. What? 0.8 first. And if this place did not hold, it's for the what? 0.75. I have to bear it in mind. Okay. Then, so that I can easily what? Apply my ZLS strategy to ensure that I am not liquidated. Okay. So that is what this is also how you'll be able to know your support, your resistance, and point of interest. This knowledge is very vital if you want to use the zero division strategy to trade future. To be able to know your point of interest, able to know your support and resistance. Okay, so like I said, the reason why I'm holding this coin, I have a target. This is what my target is. What is $1? So why is $1 my target? It's because of at this price here, the coin hit $1 and fell down. Okay, so $1 now is like a new resistance, and the coin needs to break. And if the coin break $1, it will go above $1.2, $1.55. That's how it works. Okay, because it will find a new height, right? So it hit $1 and it fell down. So $1 becomes what? The new resistance that it has to break. When it break $1 very well now, $1 becomes the new support. So that's how you think keep changing over time. So you have to study your charts, know your charts, so that you can place the right trades at the right time and make profits. So if you have any question concerning support, resistance, and point of interest, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to give you the best fit answer to clear your doubts and make you understand this, that you can be able to make money trading the futures market with confidence and not by guess. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and your notification is turned on. And also, I'm inviting you to join the Bull Network Crypto Update Group on Facebook. I will leave the link, okay, for you to join in the description of this video. Do it to join and join others who learn for free and make money in real time. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.